Hi everyone, Archana here. I'm here for our regular Friday flower tutorial, and today I'm going to show you these leaves. But before that, I just wanted to let you know you will need some practice to make these leaves. They seems like very easy to make, but believe me, they don't. I am actually promising you from last few weeks that I'm going to show you how to make these leaves, but I didn't do it since I wasn't perfect in that. I'm still not perfect. When I made my first leaf and I was little bit happy with the result, and then I decided I'll give you a small tutorial on these leaves. So let's get started. You can see these cute leaves. So I created video before, but I don't know how it got deleted, or I'm not sure the extension changed and it's not uploading on YouTube. So attempting second time, so I hope this tutorial will be okay. So we need a green colored paper. If you want, you can use white paper and then color it as per you want, and get the paper as thin as possible. Even your copy paper would work perfectly, or construction paper. Copy paper will be little bit thinner, but get it like 60 lb cardstock, not very thick. And for these leaves we need to fold it like this, and then again fold it like that, since we need those pointy corners. So you will get once I cut them. So second important thing, for these leaves you need a good pair of scissor which cuts sharp. I always trust on Tim Holtz scissor. So because we need to snip all those points, sorry, so just cut it like that. So you will get 5 leaves. Of course we are making 5 leaves, and make sure they are equally shaped. So if you want to cut little bit, just like here you get those points, so just cut it nicely, those. Okay. And second thing, I will show you a little bit diagram here how to cut it. Not diagram, but some drawing, so you will get an idea. I will draw a little larger shape here, teardrop shape, like that. So this should be our this shape. Okay, then you need to fold in a half, of course, fold in a half. Then take this point towards you like this. So you need to take this point towards you and snip it. Just first time make little bit curve inside and then snip it like that. Don't snip straight like this, okay? Just snip little bit in angle, okay, till here. Don't go till the end like this. So we need this space nice and curvy, and then from this point to this point you need to snip it like that. Snip it like this. I'm so sorry, I'm not in a natural light today, so I hope this video will turn out okay. These are artificial lights here and I hate that. I always make my videos in natural light, but just I don't want to miss today's video, and I really want to show you these leaves today, so I will go ahead and show you more flowers in next tutorial. So just I want to get it done today. So you got it right, so this thing. So let's get started. We will just get our these leaves, fold it in a half, and make sure this should be teardrop shape. Then get this point towards you, okay, and then make a little bit curve first, since this should be curvy little bit, and then you can make a curve or just snip in an angle. So we need to snip it like that right here. So mostly 1 2 3 4 5 snips you can get it on this size petal, and then snip it again like this. And if you think you got little bit artificial shape, like not that pointy, just square here, just snip it more. So that's what you need, a really good pair of scissors. Okay, like that. So when you open this leaf, it should be look like this. Okay, so quickly we will make couple more, and then I will show you how to give them a shape with the tool. So just make it little bit curve, then snip it. So they should be equal size. Like if you snip one deep, one little bit like under and over like that, so it will not work. Just try to cut it as equal as possible, like couple of millimeter, and then snip like that. Okay, so I think this is done. So believe me, it will be perfect when you make more leaves or you do more practice. I wasted so many cutouts to get a proper shape, and one last time we will make 3 leaves right now, like that. And one more time, this point should be towards you. I hope camera is not blurred here. So just make a round curve shape, then like that. Okay, and then joint these points or cut these points, you know. Sometimes it's simple tutorial, but it's hard to explain, you know. I don't know, it's my problem. So it looks like that. Okay, so our 3 leaves are ready here. So we need some wire. This is thin floral tape. I don't know what gauge, but you can guess they are pretty thin. And I'll zoom out a little bit here. So you don't need to spray the water on directly on the leaves, okay, because we need these leaves moist, not wet, to get these bumps, you know, these bumps you can see right here. So if you put more water, you will not get that fluffy bumps. So make sure to moist them. So to moist our leaves, we need to spray the water on the paper. If you have baby wipes, it's good enough. I have baby wipes, so it's easy for me, but I know a lot of people doesn't have baby wipes. But even though you don't have babies, some people use baby wipes all the time. So if you don't have, this is really good trick. Moist your paper and then just dab it on your leaves. So you will see little bit color change here, not so much wet. Okay, we don't need very wet leaf. Okay, now what we need to do, just get second smallest ball tip here, you can see right here, and then from point to the middle, each point, so each point to the middle you have to drag it like that. Drag it nicely. So if you moist it, you will able to drag nicely. If your paper is wet, if you drag firmly, that paper will get ruined, you know, that like you will not get these kind of nice bumps. So again, from both sides, if you can do, just do it, but firmly press, don't hesitate, like that. See, aren't these so cute? I'm so in love with these leaves. Like that. It's very easy once you get that snipping part. It's addictive, you know. I am making so many leaves recently. So then get all your leaves this bumpy side up, and then from top to the bottom, exact on the center, drag your ball tool till the end, like that. From top till the bottom, firmly drag. And then the third one. How about that? Cute, right? And now we need some color, so I have here a red ink and the dauber. So if you don't have a dauber, just get the paper and wrap it on your finger, and then just get the color on the paper like this, and then just color it like that. So you don't have to run and shop all these supplies. If you have them, then good. Otherwise, just, it's not like you cannot do anything without all these supplies. There are so many easy ways. Okay, like that. So cute. Little bit red touch makes them super real looking leaves, since rose leaves has that little tint on their leaves. And now we need to add these wires. So get your favorite glue, so mostly clear dry glue, almost 1 inch or less than 1 inch, glue it. And then I like to use till 1/3 from the bottom to the top. I don't go till the end like that. You can go, there is no big deal, but I really like them middle. So I can just use this tip as per I want. I can bend it. It will be flexible for me to use them on my bouquet. So this is our leaf ready. Isn't it cute? And what I do, I gather 5 leaves together. So I have it here. I can show you what I do exactly. First get one leaf, then get couple of leaves like that, and then you need the floral tape to wrap it here. So just wrap these together. Like that. Sorry, one of my leaf is still wet, so, but I just want to show you how I make my 5 leaf bunch, since roses has almost 5 or more than 5 small leaf on one big leaf. So like that, and then get 2 more and then wrap it around. So you got an idea, right? So this is your perfect rose leaf, right? Isn't it cute? So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This is not that hard to make these leaves, but you need more practice, as I said. So these are our leaves ready, and I hope you will make your leaves at home. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on next Friday. Bye.